Both these appeals arise out of the order dated 2nd September 2022 passed by the Judicial Magistrate First Class Court number 13 Aurangabad below Exhibit 5 in capital PWD VA number 441 oblique 2020 full stop bracket. The parties are addressed by their respective status in the original application for the sake of convenience bracket over full stop para. The applicant wife has preferred this appeal bearing number 150 oblique 2022 challenging the order passed by the learned trial court that the interim maintenance granted by the learned trial court is without considering the status of the applicant and without considering the income of the non-applicant husband from all sources full stop. Whereas the non-applicant husband has preferred in appeal against the same order contending that, the applicant is not an aggrieved person and in fact she is not entitled for any maintenance from the respondent full stop. Therefore, both the appeals are heard simultaneously and taken up for decision para. The marital relations between both the parties is not disputed full stop. It is also not disputed that, the applicant is residing separately with her mother as it is alleged that she was subjected to domestic violence at the hands of non-applicants and he is a mother on various counts full stop. It is also not disputed that non-applicant number 1 is working in a systematic private limited company full stop. Therefore, in these admitted facts, the applicant has made allegation that, ever since her marriage with a non-applicant on 17 April 2019 at Indore, she was subjected to mental and physical torture at the hands of the non-applicant and his relatives, particularly, her mother-in-law full stop. There are allegations that there was demand of dowry which was paid at the time of marriage full stop. An amount of rupees 3 lakhs was alleged to have remained to be paid by the applicant's family. Therefore, she was taunted on various counts full stop. She was not given proper room in the house full stop. She was required to face many difficulties full stop. Ultimately, they started residing separately full stop. Non-applicant's behavior towards applicant was unbecoming of husband and ultimately, she was driven out of the house and was required to take shelter in the house of her mother full stop. It is contended that the non-applicant has a handsome income and he is drawing rupees 31,500 salary per month and is also having income from the other sources full stop. Therefore, amount of rupees 30,000 towards monthly maintenance and rupees 10,000 for house rent is claimed by the applicant para. As against these contentions, non-applicant has contended that, baseless allegation are made against him full stop. Applicant is not an aggrieved person full stop. She on her own accord left the company of the respondent full stop. The mother of respondent is keeping ill health on various elements, his father is also suffering from various elements full stop. Non-applicants is only single child who is required to take proper care full stop. The applicant and non-applicant resided together for 15 months and on enormous occasion, she had been to her maternal place and resided there willfully full stop. The story of the applicant is imaginary full stop. The allegations are vague and omnibus and not attract the provisions of DV Act full stop. It is contended that the applicant is highly qualified lady, she is a BCom graduate and CA graduate and also a stock market analyst, and this fact is fortified by her demand demat account statement and the transaction done by the applicant as a trader and intraday trading from the said account with the Zerodha brokers full stop. Her trading account reflects her sound financial position. She is a partner in the firm name and styled as Jai Hanuman Trading full stop. This fortified that entire transactions are flowing through the mail accounts of the applicant full stop. The disclosure affidavit of the applicant is also silent about the amounts, which has considerable doubt about the truthfulness of the applicant full stop. There are deductions from the salary of the non-applicant due to non-performance full stop. He has disclosed his salary by filing pay slip for the month of May, June and July 2022, which reveals salary of non-applicant to rupees 27,733 per month full stop. Even the gross salary for the month of August 2022 is rupees 31,500 per month, and after deduction net pay was rupees 27,734, and he has also possessing income from other sources full stop. It is therefore contended that the applicant is not entitled for any maintenance from the non-applicant. Stop.